What is up, guys? So we're back here today messing with the hatch. Still in love with how that thing looks, but trying to get the exhaust ran. I got to cut some of that stainless steel pipe, but actually what I'm gonna do at the moment is get it jacked up, get this front wheel pulled off, get the piece put on, and get that piece on the traction bar, the turnbuckle, and get it installed on both sides because that piece is not installed. So I'm gonna jump on that real quick. We'll get that knocked out, and then I'm gonna move it and start trying to get other stuff knocked out on it, like the wiring inside, and try to get the exhaust ran because I gotta get a flange and some V-bands to actually finish the exhaust. And hopefully I'll be going and picking up the other surprises here soon. They're supposed to be getting delivered. I've been waiting on that, and hopefully they get delivered today. I'll be ecstatic. Alright, so I got this side on there. Got it mounted down there to that, and then it goes right there to the bar, and I had to get the other side done. But that's this side. So there's one side in, and then once that's done, after the other side, but I gotta go pick up the stuff's here. I gotta go pick up the surprise, get it back here, and we'll be back. I'm gonna throw up my book bag because I'm riding a motorcycle. Taking this out, riding that there, getting it back, gonna go get my stuff, and I'll show you all the surprises we have. We got two parts there. Go ahead and get these open. So this one is throttle position sensor, 74mm throttle body, and it's a map and a TPS sensor, and then it's got the gasket to go with it. There's an intake that I got that went with it. Apparently they shipped them separately, and this was the first piece to show up. But that's one of the goodies that I got for it. And then this showed up as well. I may or may not end up using this. It all depends. The blow-off valve that I got actually comes with the step-off like this. And but this is the new 3-inch aluminum pipe with the step-off for a 50mm wastegate blow-off valve. So that's now showed up. Alright guys, what's up? I just want y'all to know that I'm about that life because it's raining and I'm here in the rain. Alright guys, so what is up? So I had to go pick up these two packages and another one. I couldn't quite carry the other box with me. I was able to throw these in the book bag, so I wasn't able to actually unbox the other. I'll unbox these real quick, and then I will show you the other that I have real quick. Or actually, yeah, I'll show it to you first. We'll show that first, and then we'll go back and actually open these boxes up since it's already out. I would do this unboxing the same way I did earlier, but the roof is wet because it's raining on me right now. So I'm not doing it there. I'm doing it on the hatch. The tailgate, which is getting wet right now as we speak. But the one of the things I've been waiting on to get here is this brand new intake manifold. So there's that. It's finally showed up. I've been waiting on that. It's supposed to go with that throttle body. It'll fit both a B16 VTEC head and it'll fit a non-VTEC LS or B20 head. So it'll work on my application, pretty much is what I'm saying. And yeah, so I got that. It looks like a skunk too. It's not, but it's a lot cheaper. And we gon' I can take it apart, import it, and get the runners nice. So we got that now. And then it's starting to rain on me, as you can see. We got a brand new, said it was tile, I don't think it's tile, it might be off brand, but brand new blow off valve, 50 millimeter. And then this is my brand new 44 millimeter tile wastegate, but see, it doesn't say tile on the side, so I'm gonna go with it's fake, but it still do the job I need for the new header I have. So those are the new parts I've been waiting on. Finally got those in. We got one more thing coming in, and we'll be all set and be ready to throw this whole thing together. But yeah, in between the rain, I'm gonna try to throw the car together because I'm getting rained on right now. All right, so there we go. Got those two on there. Got all the other plugs, all the other holes plugged up, and now we're gonna get it installed onto the header. It'll go right down there. So, oh, and there it is. So, here's by the vacuum ports right here. That way I can run and hide the Mac valve up here somewhere and do the, just go straight from them into it. Alright, so I pulled off the factory intake. I had a 70 millimeter skunk too. I'm pretty sure it says it. Where is it? I hope I got a glare on the screen. There's a skunk 2 emblem. So 70 millimeter skunk 2 on a stock intake manifold. I had done a little bit of cleaning up, and then I had done a slight bit of port matching up inside here so that the throttle plate wouldn't catch. Okay, so I'm going to take the IVAC off of this one, and we're going to install it on this one. I done got the throttle body installed. We done got the TPS installed. We'll get that installed, we'll get the plugs installed, and then we'll get this put on the car hopefully before it gets dark. Alright, so I got it all finished up, and then the new issue is it does not fit like they say it was going to. Like, most of the holes line up, and then that one does not, and that one does not, and then that water line doesn't match up either. But all the rest of them match up. So I'll probably have to drill a hole there, figure something out, because that's going to be in the way of water. So I don't know. I have to figure it out. Alright guys, so it's getting a little late. I'm not going to be able to make this on, get this on here today. I'll show y'all why not. This is the gasket I took off. It's a thermal gasket. They sent you a thermal gasket as well. But this is the one that came off the car actually. And if you look at where they line up at, see, no hole, no hole. But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get the holes we need put in it, and then this beautiful thing will go on. So this is all I'm gonna be able to get tonight. We will get, those are the injectors and stuff, we'll get those back in there, and we will add that for a picture. We get that off. We're gonna get that back on as quickly as possible and deal with all this. But There we go. If you like what you saw, we'll be getting this thing done here soon. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you like or didn't like, and don't forget to subscribe. But y'all have a blessed night, and peace out.